Somebody read the first box, please. Nice and loud so everyone can hear you.
Hi, Byron. This is Brandon from McDonald Hyundai. We appreciate you working with us recently. We just want to make sure you're getting all the information that you need.
And then pause. Hey, buyer, it's Brandon from McDonald Hyundai. The reason I'm calling you is I just want to thank you for working with us recently, and I just want to make sure you're getting all the information that you need. So much harder to get that person off the phone than did you buy a car yet? You see the difference? This entire car deal is in the start. This is long-term follow-up. Still the same rule applies. Never hang up the phone without asking for a what?